What's happening, ladies and gentlemen? What's going on? Hope you guys are all doing well. Welcome to a new stream. Welcome. It's absolutely fantastic that you guys are all here. I'm ready to crush it. I'm ready to rock and roll. It's a Friday, almost weekend. We're heading in towards the weekly closure here. If you want to be part of our family right now, you can join our Discord, but you can also help me out tremendously by smashing that like button. Apparently, I found out a couple days ago how important it actually was. So if you can help me out by smashing that like button, I would highly appreciate it. We will take things to the next level here. We're gonna scalp today. I think the market is looking good for scalping. We also have some setups that we're personally looking for at the same time as well. Gonna be absolutely fantastic. All right, so let's take things to the next level right here. Let's go over the charts real quick in a second. We entered a beautiful GJ position already beforehand. We are in a nice profit right now. We actually cashed a lot on GJ in the last couple of days. Right now, I'm waiting for another re-entry possibility here. All right, we are also already in a trade setup right now, as you guys can see right here. We are entered with 4 lots at 165, pretty much around the 165.1 level right here. We are trying to look for the retracement. We are trying to look for this particular re-entry right now, tapping into that zone, coming into that area, and coming back down. I already closed a significant amount of my position right now, purposefully, because I want to wait for the re-entry right here, okay? I left a little bit open in case we would go down more, but I'm personally expecting a retracement back towards this particular level right here to then potentially make a move down once again, all right? This is what I'm looking for right now. So yes, we are in a winning position, but we're still waiting for potential retracement right here to see how we turn out and if potentially we can catch a bigger trade setup and we can add some towards our trade right there. Okay, I'm looking for this 4-hour area of supply. Beautiful reaction. We took out a massive amount of liquidity here, as you guys know. We're talking about this already a couple days ago. We took out the liquidity here. We filled out that imbalance here beautifully right now. Right now we tapped into that zone here, this area of demand here. So this is where we're going to see a reaction from. However, I'm still short. That's why I want to wait for this potential retracement right here from the zone, right there, coming back towards that area again. This is what I'm personally looking for. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm ready to rock and roll. I'm ready to also scalp here. We're going to make it happen. We're going to look for some scalping setups today. The volume was very good, so I do like what I see here in terms of volume. So potentially we're going to find a lot of beautiful scalping opportunities here. I would love to know who we have in the building here. Let's see who's live right now with me and who is supporting the channel. Let's have a look here. Let's go, my man Johnny Berendonk. Beautiful. Appreciate Lorenzo. I muted for a week in Discord. I have no idea what I've done wrong. Sometimes you didn't do anything wrong. Sometimes you're just talking or you're unconsciously, without knowing, putting the sound out in the voice chat. But we can fix that. We can fix that. Let me know what your name is and we fix it. Andy Fun Nation, what's up? How are you doing, my man Simon? What's happening, Simon? Jamie, my man, many memes. Benjamin Petzner. Pip Destroyer, best friend is here. What's happening, my best friend? Samuel. Cherry is here. Nice, brother. Nice. Arkich. Let's go, man. Let's go. CW Ocean. I recognize that picture. Beautiful that you're here. Kirui Friday. What's happening, brother? How are you doing? Beer Bub. Good morning. Jiggy, Yashank, Yerturi, Mauro. A lot of new people as well. Beautiful. Q Love. Key Love. Wesley Bassett. Wafa, Gibbon, Logan, Nyorturu. Nice. Everyone is here. Alright. Fantastic, man. Ready to crush it. Alright. Let's see what we have today. Let me put on some nice song. Let's get our favorite song going. Let's get the vibes going before we start here. We want to make some nice pips here. We want to rock it. We want to crush it today. But we also want to scalp at the same time. Alright? But first, let's get the vibe going here, alright? I'm ready to rock and roll. We need some nice music first. Let's warm up. Let's warm up here. Smash that like button, guys. It's gonna be an amazing stream. Scalping. Gold. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Alright. We are ready. I think the vibe is there. Let's go over a lot of setups today. Let's see what we can expect right now. There we go. Fantastic. You guys are warm up? I think so. Very big news today, guys, in regards to the dollar index. Absolutely fantastic. We smashed through the cycle. This was crazy. We smashed through. This is a major break of structure here for the dollar. Okay, this is huge, guys. This is very big. Okay, this is a major daily chalk here. Okay, or a break of structure, in my opinion. Major flaw here for the dollar right now. It seems that we're looking very bearish right now. We have this zone here. And it seems that we are potentially on a running up for more downside potential in the short term. However, do keep in mind that it could be a massive flaw as well. Massive manipulation due to the elections here. And the reason why I'm saying that is because the elections are right now. And suddenly, stocks are going up. Equities are going up. Commodities are going up. Inflation is going down. Coincidence? I'm not sure. Alright? Do take that in consideration. Alright? It makes kind of sense. Oh wait, everything is going fine right now. Everything is actually very good. I'm just saying right here. But based on the technical analysis here, and looking on the structure and what we're seeing right here, we're seeing a major break of structure to the downside. We already saw a beautiful actual change of character to the downside right here. But this is a major daily chalk right there. Right now happening and coming into play right here. This was the low, this was the high, coming down, breaking that level. This is huge. This is very big, guys. So we're gonna now have a lot of resistance as well if you're short term coming up here. Okay, we're gonna face a lot of resistance. Supply is definitely in control here. Okay, do take that in consideration. This is what we call the market cycle climax. This was the decision maker. Are we gonna hold here or are we gonna break it? Okay, we broke it. That's the beauty of it. Yesterday we said also, if you look for opportunities, we look for the reversal, but we waited for the confirmation. And why we want to get lows to take it out. We never came there. So do take that in consideration here. Alright? However, right now it's super clear what's happening. It's super beautiful actually. You can find a beautiful setup right now for any particular retracement for the dollar. We will be able to find and file a potential trade setup right here. Okay, there are two major daily zones right now that will have a lot of resistance coming into play early next week, starting next week as well. We are coming closer and closer towards a beautiful structure here Right, the question is, are we gonna hold here as resistance? Are we gonna drop further below? I mean, we have been talking about gold already for a while. We are in a gold position since 1620, right? We are just trying to catch the short-term pullbacks, and we're trying to trade gold right now already and looking for the short-term pullbacks, hedging against our long position. This is what we're looking for right now. Okay, so the question is right now, what are we going to do here? We have been talking about it for a long time. You guys know that. We have been looking at it on the daily, on the 3 daily. We have been constantly talking about this particular chart right here. Let's see what's happening. There we go. We came back out. We took out these lows here. Okay. And like we said, we want these lows to be manipulated. If you want to accumulate gold, where do you want to accumulate gold? You want to accumulate gold at the bottom. Alright? This is where you want to accumulate gold. You want to have the liquidity taken out here, so you can accumulate and you can move price the other way around here. Right now we tapped into that zone, which is also the 70.5 and the 79% on the weekly right here. If you then go to the daily, what do we see here? We created a higher high. That's a major chalk right now on the daily after we formed a triple bottom right there. Okay, however, it's not over yet. We will gonna see a pullback. Okay, and this is what we're gonna trade. I will trade the pullback. I'm definitely looking for any retracement right now back down towards the 1723 or the 1680. Okay, I'm looking for a lower time frame pullback confirmation here where we break the lows, continue to the downside, potentially short-term trading against my long. All right, so this is what I'm looking for. We're looking to trade potentially also gold. At some point, the dollar will turn around and test these daily areas of supply to see if it can hold it. If that will happen, we will come down. We're going to anticipate the move. We're not going to wait until we're down to then go long again. We're going to anticipate the break of structure on the lower time frame to see if it can create something that can show us a break of structure, so we can actually take it all the way back down right now, back to these ranges right here. Okay, this is what we're looking for. We're looking for to take out some lows, so we can start trading these lows and anticipate our trade setups from there. Place our stop loss pretty much above these highs here. Looking for a trade like that, something like this, depending on where the last area of supply will be formed here after we break these lows here. To then just target somewhere around this area, coming back into these ranges right here. This area of consolidation. This is what I'm looking for. Okay. So that's very beautiful. This is what we're doing. And this is what we're waiting for as well. Okay. While we're waiting for this, we're going to look for scalping opportunities as well. Okay. So we're doing a lot of things at the same time right now. We're looking for beautiful setups. We are in a GJ trade already. Okay. We are also looking at gold and we're looking at lower time frame structures. We're looking at GU, EU and that kind of stuff as well. Very similar towards gold here. Let me show you GU, guys. Thank you for the sub, my man. David Coda, my man. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Wow, what's happening with the trading view, ladies and gentlemen? There we go. All right. We're building a lot of liquidity underneath right now for GU here. Okay. I personally don't really trust it, so I like to zoom out here, and I like to look at this particular zone right now, coming up from this particular level all the way down towards that range right here to see what the reaction will be from this specific move. We're looking for a last high. This was the last high, okay? We created a higher high here. This is the low. We have never created a higher high in the meantime right here. This is the swing high. This is the swing low here. I'm looking to come up towards this zone between the 70.5 and the 79%, somewhere around this range right here, potentially even earlier, okay? We have this area right here, right there. Let me show you this one. This is a beautiful zone as well. Okay, look at that. We are coming very close to a very strong and important zone right here. At the same time, we have this zone as well, within the 70.5 and the 79%. So there are two important zones here that we can take into consideration right now. I'm aiming to take out some of these lows eventually, also coming back down here in the short term. I do believe that the dollar can make a short-term pullback again up to test out these daily areas of supply here to see if you can then get the true confirmation of the rejection right there. Okay, we're talking about the expansion, the break of structure to the downside and the retracement back up for the dollar. So this is what we're looking for here. Okay, so this is very similar to what we're seeing for gold. However, for gold, it's more visible. Gold is definitely showing a little bit more weakness right here. So if you're looking for a trade setup, then I would definitely looking more for gold, as the expansion for gold was more aggressive anyways right here. And therefore, I do like what I see here in terms of what's happening right now. Okay, we're breaking actually these equal lows right now, which is very, very interesting right there as well. So very interesting things coming up here. Okay, we're going to talk about the GJ trade as well, why we entered, what we are looking for, and how we can re-enter a potential trade setup right now as well. Okay. There we go. We tapped into that zone here. So I was aiming for this particular move here. Okay. Look at this. Look at all these equal lows here. Look at all that imbalance here. If you see equal lows and imbalance, man, it's pretty much the heaven. It's a heaven for us. All right. And why do I say that? Well, we have that massive gap here. All right. We know why the massive gap was there, to expand very quickly, to take out these highs there, potentially there as well. Okay, to take out a lot of liquidity that was built above these highs there very, very fast. We came up tremendously in a very short period of time here. Okay, because we did that, we've seen right now that particular move right here. We've seen that gap. After that, we have created only liquidity. We tried to come up here. Eventually, in a rapid pace, we came down into pretty much to take out all of that liquidity, all the stop loss that was built up underneath that particular zone here. So the moment we were here around this area, I knew this is the moment when we're going to go for these lows here. Okay, that was the moment when I decided to go into a short position, relatively big, and I make a pretty big trade on it as well at the same time. It was a very, very significant trade setup here that we took here by pretty much looking at these particular levels right here. Not particularly an area of demand or supply, but just looking at particular moves here in the market right now. All right, very, very interesting in general what we're seeing right here. Okay, so very, very important. Everything that we're seeing right now is absolutely amazing. This is what we are looking for, to come back up into that area, to potentially make a move coming back down after that as well. Okay, very, very interesting reaction so far, and I do think it is absolutely fantastic right here what we are seeing right now coming into play in the very, very short term. All right, so what are we doing? What are we looking for right here? We're looking for the retracement back up. Why back up here? We're looking to come into that zone, to fill out that imbalance, to tap into that potential re-entry, to potentially come back down further, as this is the swing low, all right, and this is the swing high right there. We still have a long way to go. We still have more inefficiency to be filled here. We have a beautiful amount of liquidity to be filled underneath that zone. Do I believe we're gonna hold here? I do not really believe so. I also believe that the Japanese yen can make a short pullback right now while the dollar is also weaker. I think the Japanese yen can actually make a retracement because of that, and therefore also anticipate potentially a move more towards the downside, to come back down, to take out that liquidity here, tapping into that zone, to then potentially make a final move back up again somewhere around this particular range right here. I will show you guys this particular move round about 156.895, somewhere around this area right there. Okay, so this is what we are looking for in terms of GJ. All right, guys, also smash that like button. I would highly appreciate that. It would really take things to the next level. We are already live 4 days already, 4 hours a day minimum. Yesterday 5 hours. We're doing it on a consistent basis. I promise you, I am the hardest working guy live streaming, live trading on YouTube. I've looked around. 4 or 5 hours a day is the minimum that we do here. And this is what we do for you guys. So the only way you can help me is by smashing that like button. Because you would help me out tremendously right here. Thank you so much. We're going to head into a scalping session very soon. We're going to scalp in 1 minute. Alright, we're going to look at some beautiful trade opportunities here. Using our favorite strategy. We have been doing 106 trades so far with a win of 67 trades. 25 losses and 15 break even right now. Alright. Sorry, 106 trades and 67 wins. I'm very, very excited to continue with our path here. I think the volume is looking very, very good in the market. While we are waiting for these type of opportunities right there. Okay? So, in the meantime, what are we planning to do here? We are looking at some of your setups right now. So please send me out some of your setups right here. Also guys, if you are in the Discord, then this is the moment where you can join our free Discord right now. We were a paid group. However, we changed some things up here. Right now you can join our Discord for free. The paid members got something extra right here in the V2. But you can join. We have our mentor charts. We have our weekly analysis. And we have daily events right here. We're going to release an event very soon. Talking about mindset. Talking about the market cycle. And everything like that. We also have a welcoming event for all the new members every single day. As well. For 30-45 minutes. So you know exactly what you can expect in the Discord as well. So you can join here. Links in the description. You can join for free as well. Alright. Show me some charts, you guys. Send me some charts right now. We're going to go over it in a second. The guys have been sharing that in the Forex charts right here. Let's look what they're sharing. We have something that says on the eurjpy here. Potentially coming down shortly. Which I do believe is possible. I do like what you're sharing here, my man. Let's have a look here. Let me know, guys. Let me know what you guys want me to share here. We're gonna go over it in a second, and then we're gonna go scalping. Wafa says, yo, Lorenzo, I sent you my chart on the US 500. Yeah, let's talk about the indices real quick before we start with scalping. Let's talk about the indices. It's gonna be very, very important here. All right, we have the VIX. Finally, guys. We have been talking about it. You guys know it. We have been talking about it already for a significant amount of time here. What are we talking about? We're talking about this daily area of the month here. Okay, we are right now at this particular zone. We want to wait for the confirmation here. If you do not get the confirmation that this is our next level right there. Okay, we still have more liquidity to be filled up underneath this area. We know that. We're more imbalance right there, which could potentially move the actual indices up a little bit more during next week. I believe so. I believe that there is big chance that we can come back up a little bit more for the indices right now during the next week. But so far, we have seen that reaction here. We came back up here. We're trying to come up and see how we can react so far. We have a massive expansion to the downside as well. But let's see how we react from now. On the daily, we are finally where we want to be. All right, in regards to the VIX right here. Yarturi says, check the news. Nothing spectacular during the news today. We had some British pound news coming out here in the afternoon. It was nothing spectacular here. So the indices are looking very good. Actually, in short term, I think it's looking very, very bullish. We actually broke this beautiful zone here. And I do believe there is more upside potential here for the indices right now. Look at this particular level here, breaking this highs here again. We saw the change of character to the upside here. All right, this is called a change of character to the upside right there. We created a lower low right here, right? We created a break of structure to the downside, a change of character to the upside. Then we came back up. We came back down, we came back up. We tapped it to the equilibrium perfectly. And then we tapped up and created a new high. So now this is the break of structure. This is literally as clean as it can get, guys. As clean as it can get on the daily here. What are you looking for? You're looking to go long here. Why? Beautiful structure to the upside. Let's go long from this particular move here. 38.40. One of the cleaner setups. Significantly cleaner setups, guys. I have to be honest here. However, you can wait on the lower time frame as well to go for a little bit less or a higher risk to reward setup. All right, but the overall structure on the daily, man, gives me a beautiful, beautiful indication here right now. We're also building out equal highs at the same time right here. Okay, do take that in consideration. These equal highs are built up here as well. So everything lead towards a downside here. We took out these highs here, these equal highs. Now we're coming back down, tapping into that zone, potentially come back up here. Extremely bullish case here. Extremely bullish setup right now for the indices. I will share this with you guys right now in Discord. All right. Let me put this here. Let me share this with you guys also for a potential setup and potentially even lower setups as well on the lower time frame, which I'm gonna talk about in a second right here. Let's take this out here. Man, this is a wonderful, wonderful setup, guys. This is the cleanest setups you can pretty much get here, starting on the higher time frame. When you have doubts with SMC smart money concepts and you're trying to fill up and understand market structure and so on, start on the higher time frame. Okay, start on the higher time frame. This is what we are looking for here. Start. Fantastic setup here for the US 500. Absolutely fantastic. Then look on the lower time frame. Okay, look on the lower time frame. Look on the 1 hour for a trade. That's it. Absolutely fantastic. Okay, so if you have questions and you have doubts, again, go to the higher time frame. Look at the structure on the higher time frame to then potentially make your trade on the 1 hour and even lower. Okay. Some people skip the daily. The daily is one of the most important charts to look at. Why is that? Well, that is because the structures are so clear and so reliable right there. Okay. This is absolutely beautiful. Look how we came down here, for example. We came back down. We created a broken structure to the downside. We came back up. Where was that zone? Right here. Look at that reaction here on the daily. Wasn't this a perfect trade setup? If you entered even on the daily here, okay, or you waited for a lower time frame confirmation like the 1 hour and you came back down here, you had a beautiful 10 to 1 on the daily. Okay, easy trade. These are the easiest trades ever. Why? You have a change of character to the downside here. A break structure to the upside and change of character to the downside. It is super, super clear here what we're seeing. All right, so this is absolutely fantastic, and this is what I'm always suggesting for you guys to do here. You're looking at a change of character to the upside, to the downside, coming up. What is that zone here? Swing high to swing low is right there. Okay, coming up into that range, 62%. Beautiful daily order block. Boom, drop, sell off from there. How perfect can it be, guys? How perfect can it be? That's the higher time frame. Okay, if you can go to the 1 hourly and we come back all down towards that range all the way down, let's have a look here. Let's just have a look right now. I haven't seen it, but let's have a look what we can find here. We're gonna scalp in a second, guys. Yes. What's happening? What's happening? For some reason, in the last couple of days, TradingView has very struggles here. I don't know what it is here. There we go. It's just not loading. Let's be patient, but this is an extremely important example here. There we go. There we go. It was a breaker right here. There's a beautiful breaker block right here. We saw the beautiful zone here. We tapped into that zone. And look at that reaction right there. We really tapped into that zone. We created that change of character to the upside. We created change of character to the downside, to the upside. And then we moved beautifully there. We're going to make a video about breaker blocks as well. This is going to be on Discord. You will find it very shortly there. So if you want to join, you know where to find us. But we tapped into that zone. Look how beautiful that is. Absolutely fantastic. And we sold off very fast here. So the people that are saying that SMC is not working anymore and is getting manipulated is just not applying it correctly. All right? I think that's the main reason why people are saying this. Okay, so very beautiful. And I do believe that this is the same thing here. Change character to the upside, change character to the downside, coming down perfectly into that area right here. I'm going to make another screenshot for you guys to share it with you guys. And again, I'm going to repost this setup because it's absolutely fantastic. And I do believe that you will have a beautiful trade there very shortly. And I do believe it will be early next week right there. A massive trade opportunity for you right there for the indices right there. Okay? Do take that in consideration right here. Absolutely amazing. So guys, if you don't have any more potential setups here to trade, or questions about potential setups, then we're gonna go towards scalping setups here, right? If you want to check GJ, yes, we're hopefully coming back up a little bit more. Let's see. Yeah, we are slowly coming back up here. Okay, this is great. We are moving up here. I want to look for this particular range right now, and I will look for potential short opportunity once we are here. I'm gonna place an alert there to see what will actually happen right there. Beautiful. Okay, let's go. Let's start scoping, guys. I'm looking forward to that. Let's see what the market can offer us right here. Are those educational videos in Discord going to be free only for the V2? Only for the V2. However, we're giving events also on a weekly basis as well, where you can join. And these type of events. Every week we discuss different topics here. All right. So this is going to be very, very important. You can join them, and we talk about these specific topics as well. Australian dollar against the US dollar looking very, very good here. I'm looking for a short opportunity right here. I like what I see here. Taking out these lows here. Tapping into that zone. Actually looking very, very good. So we're looking for this specific here. This specific option right there. All right. Do you care about the US bank holiday? Not really. At this specific moment, not really, no. No, we had such a massive move here yesterday that I do believe that we have some retracement here to take. There we go. I like what I see here. It's a decent reaction so far. There we go. I like what I see here. I think this is a decent opportunity coming back down right now. Thirty-second candle. Can we enter? Yes, almost. If we close below that, if we close a 1 minute candle below that, we will enter a position here. Mohammed says, please, can we trade GJ now? Not yet, no. Well, you can. Okay, let's wait for a new low here. This is good, potentially. For the dollar here, we created that lower time frame chart here, beautiful. Let's see if we can hold here. Let's see if we can find something like indeed what we just saw here. RR 1-to-1, yes. 1-to-1 here. For this particular strategy, absolutely, yes. In case you want to know more about my strategy, then go to my YouTube channel. We have been testing out this strategy. It's a completely new strategy here. We have been testing it out right now. It's this one right here. It is called the understanding... Oh, sorry, that's the liquidity video. Liquidity for void gap. Scalping strategy that wins. That's the one we're looking for here. We already have done over 100 trades. This is pretty significant. Trader Vader, I'm doing fantastic, my man. How are you doing? Hope you're doing well, my friend. There we go. I see that gap here. I see that liquidity built up underneath here. We have been coming down already from this particular zone. I do like it. We're gonna set an alert here. Yesterday was crazy, ladies and gentlemen. Wow, what a day. What a stream as well. Samo says, do you trade your strategy with other strategies on the same account? No, I have one account that I only use for swing trade. For swing trading. Like long fundamental trades. And then one is more for the scalping, intraday trading setups. Have you taken a gold trade yet? Not yet. No, we are right now in GJ. How do you place your buy stop so fast? What do you use? Using magic keys. It's a tool here that instantly calculates the lot size for you. Oh. It instantly calculates the lot size for you, and it's extremely, extremely powerful. It's a very strong, strong tool here. This is called magic keys right there. I should be a promoter. What do you think of the breaker block for GJ? Let me see. When would you start thinking about closing your long-term gold position? When would you start thinking about closing your long-term gold trade, brother? I will still hold it for a significant amount of time. I think we're gonna have... I think I catch the bottom. I do believe that. I believe that I catch the bottom here. And I want to hold it for a significant amount of time here. And I want to hedge against my position. So every time we come down, I'll try to open a short against my swing trade. At the same time. That's my strategy here. Accumulating on the bottom on the higher time frame. Or what we think is the bottom. From a fundamental standpoint. To then hedge intraday trade. And scalp against my long position. It's magic. Breaker block. Let me see on the 1 hour or 50 minute. I see what you mean. Yeah. Yeah, I see what you mean. Yeah, maybe. But I'm already in a position anyways right now. So yeah, let's wait it. Let's wait here. Let's be patient here. Okay. But there are definitely some beautiful setups right now in the lower time frame. Some scalping setups here. Beautiful. Let's see if you can create a lower high. If you can create a lower high, then this is definitely a trade that I would take here. Pretty much equal lows sitting here. Massive gap. I want to see a lower high for our risk management here, for our stop loss as well. This is too high. All right, so yeah, we didn't see a higher high here, or lower high here, unfortunately. So we went down straight away, which is in essence fine. Oh shit, I didn't even realize it. Shit, what's happening? I got triggered in my position for Australian dollar. Oh shit. I got triggered in my position for Australian dollar. So I missed it completely. Wow. That's crazy. Sorry for that. Sorry that I missed it out for you guys. Wow, TP hit. Yeah, I'm gonna close it. Wow. Okay, sorry for that, guys. Sorry for that one. I didn't even realize it. I didn't even say... I placed my order, but I didn't see that I don't know. I don't know what happened here. It's not gonna happen next time. Anyways, it's a beautiful... Yeah, it's a win. We're gonna look for another trade. Sorry for that. It was a perfect trade though. Sorry for that. We're gonna look for a new setup here. Okay. I mean, we're trading live here, guys, together. So yeah, of course, I want us to win. We're gonna find more trades. All right, let's see what we have. Let's see what we have, ladies and gentlemen. In the meantime, our GJ trade is coming up here. So we're gonna see very shortly if you can look for a retracement and a potential trade opportunity as well. I like the sound, by the way. Moscow Gomez says, are you using the hardware or software version of Magic Keys? I'm using the software version. I have a massive screen, so I have enough place here to use it. For me, it's not really a thing to get in, really a hard one. Chaps, is your stop loss on break even on GJ and gold? Yeah, for my gold position, that's on my other account. This is already in profit even. But my GJ position is on break even and I already took out a massive amount of profit. So if I get hit on break even, it's fine. And then I'm looking for a re-entry. And this could be very soon. When did you take your GJ trade? Couple hours before the stream on Discord. And right now we're looking for a re-entry here on the stream. Beautiful. Yeah, it was a beautiful double top here. Taking out the imbalance here and breaking these lows here. You could see when you break these lows, it goes very, very fast here. So that's a beautiful beautiful setup. Clive Smith says, hey Lorenzo, first time here. Welcome, my man. Welcome to our channel. Where we are doing daily live streams. We're scalping. We're also doing the SMC, following the SMC concepts. On the higher time frame, we're doing some fundamental analysis as well. 4-hour streams. I hope you're ready for it. Welcome. GJ sell opportunity. Absolutely. Yes, we're looking for the retracement here. I'm looking towards somewhere around this range here. We have two particular zones right there. We have one here and one there. Looking to enter one of these. Okay. This is what I'm personally looking for, to pretty much enter one of these setups here. Come back into that area to target these levels underneath that zone here. Okay, we have taken out already massive amount of liquidity right now. I think it's time to come back up, fill up the inefficiency, because this was an aggressive move down to take out the liquidity here. So I believe that this retracement is a very, very great opportunity for us to re-enter and to again take a bigger position in GJ. To the downside. That could be a very, very good move, by the way. If it's this one right here, potentially, I would target potentially a 6.5 to 1 right there. Okay, and the reason why I would potentially enter here, if I get stopped out here, it's fine. Because then I'm looking to re-enter here straight away. Giving me the same opportunity pretty much. Okay, so that's my idea there. That's pretty much the idea there. Looking for a re-entry if I get stopped out on the first possibility here. Okay, that's the idea. So I risk 0.5%. If I get stopped out, it is completely fine here. Then we re-enter there. Any open position? Yes, on GJ already right now. We are in the meantime scalping while we're waiting for these setups to play out here. More liquidity built up here. Eurjpy is looking interesting, guys. We have that zone here. I'm gonna put an alert here. Trap says, yesterday you said you were willing to put a lot on crypto and Bitcoin on the coming days. Please, brother, can you give an analysis about that? Sorry for all these questions. No problem, man. You can always ask me any question you want. In regards to crypto, I said when Bitcoin reaches to $12,000, I'll put everything in. I'll burn it all if I have to. Everything. I burn it all. No, yeah, it's if Bitcoin goes to 12,000, yeah, which is still my end target here for Bitcoin on the higher time frame. I think we're going to see retracement here, and we're going to sell off from there. Potentially coming into that zone, very similar to GJ. Coming into that zone and selling off towards this range right here. This is what I'm looking for. But won't CBDC affect crypto? What is your thoughts? Yeah, if it does, well, it will be only bullish, in my opinion. Very, very bullish. People want to protect their assets. They think that Bitcoin is the way out and so on. Also, guys, 1 minute scalping, 1 minute SMC strategy. We're gonna go over it next week, okay? Probably on a Wednesday. We're gonna talk about it on YouTube. Look at this beautiful, beautiful setup here. Absolutely fantastic. This is 79%. Again, expansion coming down. Liquidity taken out here. Coming back into that range here. Again, one more time. Expansion, beautiful. Liquidity taken out here. Imbalance filled up here. Tapping into this beautiful zone. Look at this candle here. Beautiful. Tapping into that zone. Boom. Coming up. Long. Right there. Target right there. Easy trades. Easy trades. Happens all the time. Okay. However, you can hold this one for a very long time. You can actually take this one back to these highs here. You can take this one back to these ranges right there. We're gonna talk about it. However, you need a strong mind for this. A very, very strong mind here. Because you can lose a couple trades in a row. Alright, so this is not for everyone. But it's all about the risk to reward here. I think you might have put a wrong number on total trades. It was 106, now it's 108. Yeah, count it. 68 plus 25 plus 15. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. There we go. This is looking nice. I like the fact that we have a lot of inefficiency underneath that zone. We had a massive expansion here. Right now we're coming down to take out that expansion potentially here. I do like that a lot here. This is a very important level. If you break that level, that could be the level we're looking for and we're waiting for here to be taken out. I do like it. It's the euro against the British pound here. And the reason why I like it as well is because the euro is right now in an area of supply here. Alright, we created that lower low here. We tapped into that zone. We created a change of character to the downside. So potentially the euro pairs can come down a little bit here. And I think this is the perfect reflection right now on the euro GBP here. So that's a beautiful potential setup here. However, the risk to reward, we need to see if that aligns here. Something like this could be very, very good. Guys, if you want to join, if you want to support the channel, then please smash that like button. I found out that it's super important. And I can assure you this, we are the most hard-working channel out there every single day. 4 hours a day. Discipline over motivation. All right. We're not always motivated, but the key is to do it anyways. That's the key about life and key about success here. You're not always motivated, but you do it anyways. And then it says background looks like a premium hotel room. It's indeed, it's everyone thinks it's a hotel room, but it's just a room in my place. I just think that value comes first here, and I don't have to make a fancy, beautiful looking. Oh, the EU is coming very closely. A fancy, beautiful. There we go. Let me check this real quick. Ah, we have this one. Sorry, it's this one right here. I think value comes first. I see a lot of people have a beautiful, beautiful looking setup. Amazing setup. Everything perfect. Right? Blue light, neon lights, everything high level. But hey, it's about the value in my opinion. This comes later. EJ is looking, I think EJ is coming very close. I think I like this one the most here. If EJ EU here. Waiting for that rejection for the euro. Tarek says Bali is quite expensive at the moment. Yes, it definitely is. A lot of tourists here right now. So automatically the prices are higher. I am enjoying since 10 years ago, Bali was more cheap and less tourist compared to now. Yeah, right now it's a very popular place. A lot of beautiful villas built. A lot of high quality restaurants. It's really stepping up right now. Definitely. Chris says, Monday, Friday, you live stream every morning. Yes. Tuesday to Friday. Yes, Tuesday to Friday. I tend to be patient on a Monday to see where the market drives us. So I'm more active in Discord. So if you want to join and be there, I'm gonna stream in Discord every Monday. All right, join. Do exactly what we're doing here, but on Discord right there. On a Monday right there. So if you want to be part of that, you know where to find us. Links in the description. You can join. Besides, what are the guys doing right here? Thank you guys for all the new members. Drill, Venki Match, Reda, Saka-san, Amir, Lar, Yagan AR, Mark Akon, Anonymous, my man. I see you. Simi, Dennis, Andrew, Harsh, Tanjir, Akash, Vils, Jiggy, Sharon. Amazing. Welcome. What are the guys doing here? Let's see what the guys are doing here. They're all chilling. We have demented charts as well. We're keeping you guys updated about all the chart setups that we're looking for. Everything is in there. You can find it. You can join for free. Links in the description. In the meantime, we're waiting for this setup to come down here to play out potentially. Take out these lows here. The euro is getting rejected at the moment. This is a very good sign. We're definitely, I think there's a big chance we're going to come down here for the euro. If we break this low here, I'm tempted to go short here. And to place my stop loss above this, above that zone. If we're coming down right now, I'm looking to take a trade like this here. George says, Lorenzo, dude, could you answer some questions in the Forex chat in the Discord, please? I will have a look at it, my man. Are you still looking to sell GU? Yes. I'm looking for the retracement here. Or the pullback, sorry. Pullback. The chart is still valid, by the way. The chart is still valid that I shared in Discord. If you break that particular low. What do you think of gold? That's very interesting right now in regards to gold here. Look on the 1 hourly, I'm looking at something very interesting. Also on the 4 hour, I see the same thing happening right now. We're seeing the beautiful... Oh, we already took out some of these lows here. We took out a little bit of these lows here already beautifully. We tapped into that zone at 4 hour OB here. This is actually a very, very nice nice setup. I'm looking for the... Let me go to the daily. This is a beautiful setup here on the 4 hour. We came back down. This is the swing high to swing low right there. Let me remove this one right here and let me replace it for you guys. Round about that zone right now. So we're tapping into a very strong zone. I do believe this is a very good zone to potentially look for. A lower low to potentially take the retracement, take the pullback here. So this is a very good reaction so far. I do like it. I like it a lot actually. This is a major zone that I want to be taken out here. We have this area here. This area of liquidity built up underneath that area zone. I want this to be taken out. Definitely. And I definitely think it will happen. If we're seeing that rejection here and we're creating these lows right there. Overall, I do like it a lot. I do think we're going to find an opportunity shortly as well for gold. To take that potential trade here. This is now taken out. So overall, I do really like what I see here. Navneet says, can't wait for 123R. What about 125? What about a 125, my man? Jack S. says, what's up, Lorenzo? How are you doing? I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Thank you. We're looking for some scalping setups here. We will get some more volume coming in 2 minutes, I think. 2 minutes from now, we're going to open up here. Jess says, Lorenzo, doesn't it seem like the market has changed a lot these 3-4 months? Is it just annoying, but my strategy crushed me? What is the strategy you're trading? What broker do you use? I use BlueBerryMarkets. It's, in my opinion, the best broker out there with the fastest no slippage, new servers, low spreads for smaller accounts as well. And we have an offer as well. You can find more about it in links in the description here. Completely legalized, or how do you say it? Verified broker? No, not verified. Certified. That's the word I was looking for. No, not certified. Regulated. I'm not native English, guys. Sorry for that. I'm still looking for words sometimes. Jess says, breakout, retest at London and New York. Okay, yeah, I'm not trading that strategy personally. I have no idea. Breakout and retest. Okay. The market is definitely changing. However, I see still beautiful setups playing out every single week. So, yeah, I don't know. What is the worst time to trade? When there is no volume. When there is no volume in the market. It could be at any given moment during the weekday. There is not really a particular time. It's really totally depends on the volume in the market here. Do you think a strategy can stop to work? Yes, I think so. I think it can. It definitely, it already, you had the turtle traders before. That strategy does not work anymore. But yes, the market is consistently changing here. But so far, I experienced that people are saying that SMC does not work anymore. That's completely false. Out of my personal experience here. Which country are you from? You sound Dutch. I'm Dutch, yes. I'm Dutch. Your name looks Dutch too, my man. SMC versus ICT. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. ICT is the guy that created the SMC concepts. This is a good example here of potential short-term trade setups. This particular level here for the New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar on the 1 minute, SMC right there, 0.80366 for New Zealand dollar against the Canadian dollar. This is exactly what I mean. So you will see. We're gonna put an alert here. I will show you guys. It's highly volatile, but you will see what I mean. Do you use fixed lots or a percentage? I use a percentage. I don't even look at pips. I never calculated pips in my life. I have no idea about pips. To be honest. I look at risk to reward. We're already almost at 200 likes. Thank you so much. That's absolutely amazing. Thank you. We're gonna find some beautiful setups here. In the meantime, our GJ trade is also looking very... yeah, it's stable. Nothing spectacular here. Yeah, we made some epic trades. I will show you them in a second here. But for GJ, we're looking for the re-entry as well. We're gonna get back to it very shortly. Jack says, hey Lorenzo, please confirm where I will find the GJ chart again under which heading? The mentor charts. The mentor charts, my man. Jess J says, I know about SMC concepts from the Photon Trading Academy. Do you know it? No, never heard about it. To be honest, I only know a couple of guys here in the trading industry. Okay, let's go back to the higher time frame for a second here, okay? I just want to go back to some regular SMC setups as well while we're waiting for some scalps to be playing out here. So, what I'm seeing for gold right now is nice, is good. that we're getting rejected here. But what we want to see for gold is we want to see this lower low getting taken out here. 1747.493. This is what we need to be taken out. If you don't take this out, there is no need, in my opinion, for a trade setup here. All right. So I really want to break that level for gold in order for us to make a trade setup coming down all the way to this area of consolidation here. This whole area of consolidation and then an expansion, that retracement I want to see here. I want to come back to this area. This is what we're looking for. So we're waiting for gold to move towards that particular range, tap into that zone to potentially then come back down and to then potentially then move forward from there. This is what I'm looking for. So if we break these lows here, that's the moment when I'm looking for a short opportunity, putting the stop loss a little bit higher towards a, you know, a nice high potentially. If you create a lower high or something like that, something like this, entry here, stop loss there, take profit roundabout here. Could that be to a nice 3-4 to 1 ratio here? But this could be very good. And I do think it will align also with the dollar in the very short term right now. Potentially making a short reaction here to the upside. Coming back up, we're building out a lot of liquidity to the upside here. At some point, we're going to come back up again to take out the liquidity like we did before here. I will show you guys exactly what I mean. If we go to the 15 minute, we saw the same thing happening as well. And now on the 5 minute, we're seeing the same thing happening for the dollar. At some point, we're going to take out some of the liquidity. We're going to come down. Dollar is going to come back up towards some area. We have to come back up again at some point to retest now the daily area of supply, because the supply is in control, okay? But this is very interesting here. We have that zone here on the 5 minute. We're looking at that area. Look at what we're building here and how clean it is here. Absolutely fantastic. So even if you break some highs here and you come back up, then that's definitely the moment to look for the trade. But this will automatically align beautifully with gold here. So if gold then comes up, if we come up here to take that out, then gold will come down and we can look for that trade setup right there. Antoine says we are in the zone of a possible re-entry on GJ. I have an alert set, so let's see. The other one is definitely a Australian dollar against the US dollar here. It has a very, very similar chart setup and it looks relatively weak right now. So I do see also a short potential incoming for the Australian dollar against the US dollar here. Okay, just so you guys know that. We're looking at a very, very similar reaction right now in that particular range right here. So also very, very nice. A lot of potential here. Stepping into that area as well for the Australian dollar. We just need to look a little bit more for lower time frame structures and see if we can break it in order for us to give us a better indication to potentially come back down here. So very, very similar towards gold. However, gold is definitely looking better than any other pair right now in terms of potential short opportunity. Except what we are looking for, GJ, of course. And the reason why GJ is so nice here, potentially, is because of the following right there. Okay, I'm looking at GJ for one particular reason. And that is because we take out all that liquidity here. We are still in a massive higher high. The Japanese yen was going nuts to the downside. But because the dollar index is reversing right now and showing more weakness, I do believe that is definitely the moment here for us to potentially come back into that range, to retest that zone, and to potentially then move further down here. That the Japanese yen can make a short retracement to the upside. Maybe next week as well, as it has been going down already for such a significant amount of time that right now we are looking to be better. It's looking better right now in the short term. We've created our first 4-hour chalk here, and that's a very, very, very long time ago. So I do like it. I do expect more downside potential for GJ. That's why I'm looking for a new entry potentially at this particular move right here. Is it wise to put a sell stop order on gold? I think you can put a market order whenever you see that breaking and then closing beautifully with the dollar confirmation. Ali says, how long have you been trading? I have been trading since 2017. Beginning of 2017. Antoine says, Lorenzo, I got one friend that entered GJ short position on 165.73 and his full TP was 165. He was wondering if should let runner, but he doesn't know if it was a good idea. Do you recommend on how to know if it's a good opportunity to leave it as a runner? So in terms of GJ on 165, then he's already out, correct? Sharon says, hey man, can you please put a video on how to analyze the chart? We did. We have 2 videos here that can help you out tremendously regarding that. We have one, it's called The Basic Fundamentals of Supply and Demand. And then another one is Understanding Market Structure. Right there. You will definitely find it there. What do you guys think of the volume in the market right now? Let me know in the chat. What do you guys think about it? Mirashok says, Lorenzo, what do you think about PEM accounts? I'm not really a big fan of PEM accounts, to be honest. I like to control everything myself. I have been in this industry a little bit. I know how it works. I want to focus on managing my own money and learning how to trade here. I rather put my money into an EA than in a PEM account where my money is managed. To be honest. So yeah. Jake A says, I'm waiting for the news. Which news are you waiting for? The prelim, oh yeah, the prelim consumer sentiment. Yes, I understand that one. Yeah. I don't expect too much, to be honest. I don't expect too much here. But yes, let's see how it goes here. Absolutely. I'm gonna do a giveaway very shortly, guys. It's giveaway time here. I'm gonna do a giveaway on a regular basis. I'm gonna give away, and this is only one time, and one time only that I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna give away access to our V2 membership in our Discord here. Okay. This will be launching in the 23rd of November. Yeah, 23rd. So we have 12 more days or 11 more days to go here. Sorry, 12 more days to go. We're gonna open a lot of different channels. Live trading, V2 trading signals, live trading SMC, live trading scalping, and complete trading calendar with our top tier traders. A complete series, a video series, trading competitions, okay, for free, real money. You can earn real money. And live prop firm challenges, where you do live prop firm challenges together. All right, this is what we're gonna launch the 23rd. I'm gonna give away one spot, and it's the only time I'm gonna do it. During the weekly closure here. It's the only time we're gonna do it. What do you need to do? You definitely need to be in our Discord already. Okay. So you need to be in our Discord. You can join for free. We have a lot of amazing things as well where you can join. We are giving daily events. You can see my mentor charts right here already. This is exactly what I'm sharing with you guys. Pretty much the setups I'm looking for, the trades that I'm looking for. I'm putting it in there. Give you ideas, things you could really benefit. Every Sunday I release the Sunday weekly breakdown. It's an unlisted video on my YouTube channel. You will find more information about it also. You can join, links in the description. If you want to join our Discord right there. Equal highs for gold. Very, very important here. We're coming closer, guys. We're coming close to potential trade setups. Trade setups for gold here. There are two different setups we can look for. We can either break the lows, or we can come back up right now and look for these areas right here. Somewhere around this particular range here. Right there. This could be very interesting. So there are two setups we can look for. Either we break the lows and we're going to go short here, or we wait for it to come up and we go short here. Yeah, we're gonna do a giveaway very shortly. So if you want to join our giveaway, then like the channel, like this video. Join our Discord. And I will give away a V2 access. One time only towards one of the guys here that join. I'm setting some setups right now ready, guys. In the meantime, if you guys have any questions regards other potential setups, then let me know. GJ is coming up. GJ is creeping up here. But that's interesting. GJ is slowly creeping up right now. I'm looking to potentially re-enter right there. When we're coming back up towards this area at 165.508. Alright, just so you guys know that. Steven says, Lorenzo, good to see the community is growing. Thank you, my man. Appreciate that. Lorenzo, where's your target for the GJ? Potentially the 160. 160 is my target. So that's this particular level here. Potentially. If I get stopped out here, I'm looking again for a new potential setup. Right there. I will re-enter my position right there. That's pretty much the way to go here. It's actually a 4-hour chart here. A 4-hour setup here. I'm gonna enter aggressively from this zone. And if I get stopped out, I'm gonna re-enter there. Okay? If we can do it live, we're gonna do it live here. If price will come here. We're coming back up slowly right now. So there are two zones I would like to look for. One of these right there. Tapping into that zone. Targeting potentially 160 range. Or the liquidity underneath this area. I do believe there's a big chance we can come back down after we have taken the liquidity here. Potentially come back down all the way, taking that out. This could be a major trade setup. Alright? Could be a very, very good trade setup right here. Right now we're already looking at a beautiful trade here for GJ. We're just patiently waiting here for things to move into to our direction right now. This is what we're looking for. We still in our position. We already pretty much already sold a big chunk of our position here, but I'm looking to re-enter our position right there. This is what I'm looking for. Gold is breaking. Okay, that's good. Let's have a look at gold here. We saw the rejection already for gold on the higher time frame here. What is breaking here then? I don't see it. Yeah, we took out the highs. Okay, yeah, we took out these highs here. That was not really a surprise. Look at these equal highs here. That's the best indication you can look for. This is also another strategy you can use. You can literally look for equal highs and equal lows. And if price is relatively close, you enter. And you wait. So either we're coming up and we tap into that zone, which is fine, like 1764, or we're gonna come down and we're making structure to the downside. Then I would short gold as well. So it totally depends on what we're gonna break. No matter what happens, we will find a setup here. Pip the Story says, Lorenzo, okay, please have a look at the Australian dollar against the US dollar. And if you think the retracement will reach the 65,316, that was my entry for a short after CPI. Okay, so you went short At 65,316. Okay, let's see. And you're still holding your position? Let's see. In 5 minutes, we're gonna do our giveaway, ladies and gentlemen. What you need to do is you need to be in our Discord. You can join for free. Besides that, there's a lot of amazing things you can find here as well. We're building out the biggest community, that's for sure. Well, we're gonna start in a couple minutes here. I'm gonna pick a random guy, a random person that joined our Discord. I'm gonna give away the V2 access here. This is only a one-time thing. Normally we give away the magic keys, fund the challenges. We're gonna soon give away merch. But for now we're gonna do this one time. We're gonna give away the V2, which I think is very, very beneficial for you guys. Okay, you entered at 65,316. Okay. Short, correctly? Yeah, probably here. I see. Stop loss should have been above that area. Normally straight away. So you should have been stopped out normally. But if you're still in right now... I mean, I would take the loss and potentially look for re-entry. If you are... if you're ready. Because you made a mistake. You should punish yourself here, man. This is what I did. Cut your losses, man. Cut your losses. Accept it. You made a mistake. And let's wait for a... I can say yes, there's liquidity underneath right now. And so on and so on. But we can easily come back up, down, and come back further up. Right? And then it's gonna get worse. So... But you can do it, man. Next time, it will be all good here. Also, US oil reacted beautifully. Look at the US oil here. To that reaction here. Fantastic. Beautiful reaction so far. Okay, let's see what we can find right now in terms of our potential here. GJ is slowly creeping up. We're gonna go short here, guys. We're gonna go short here. I'm looking to enter here from this potential setup right there. Right into the zone. Hopefully tap into that area. Come back down further. Targeting this particular level right here. This is what I'm looking for. If I get stopped out, I'm looking to re-enter again. Right there. Okay, I'm gonna get a drink real quick, guys. I'm back in 1 minute. And we're gonna do the giveaway straight away after that. If you want to join, this is your last chance to join the Discord. I will choose one person and grant him access to the to our V2. Be right back, be right back. All right, what's good? What's good? Who's ready for the giveaway, ladies and gentlemen? Who is ready for the giveaway right here? We're gonna give away one. We're gonna give away one magic keys for the people that are here in YouTube, okay? And we're gonna give away one V2 access as well towards the new people in the Discord right here. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna select randomly one person that is new right now and grant them access to the V2. And then I'm gonna give away more magic keys to the people in the YouTube. So you get two chances right here. For the people that are already in, they will get also an opportunity to win something as well. So I'm gonna select somebody random here. Hope you guys are ready. Let me see if I can find something. Again, what is the V2? Before we continue here, what is the V2? The V2 is our new channel that will open here very shortly. Right now we have 204 members in there already. We have an offer for 2 weeks only. But right now, this specific moment, we're gonna grant them access, somebody here that just joined the Discord right here. Okay, what is it? We're gonna do live trading here. Okay, this is gonna get released on the 23rd of November with a whole team of our top traders. Live trading SMC, live trading scalping. We have an SMC video series. We're gonna release tons and tons of other events. Okay, we have a trading competition. And we have a live prop firm challenge that we can do together as well. Everything will be in there. So I think it's super, super nice for somebody that's just joined right now. So I'm going to select somebody. All right. And then I'm going to give away another magic keys towards somebody here in the in YouTube right there. Okay. Kiana, you already have V2. You're already in it. You're already in it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to pick out somebody random. I'm going to close my eyes and I'm going to look at the first person I see. And I'm going to give away that particular setup right now, alright? Are you guys ready? Let's go. Andrew B. Andrew B, my man. You're the first guy I see here. Alright? You have won the V2 access here. Let me know if you're in, if you're actually in the channel here, if you're watching right now. Otherwise, we do it again. Let's see if you're actually here. If not, we do it again. Yes, Igor, we're gonna give away one more magic keys as well for the people on YouTube here. Crypto says, isn't there a bank holidays today? Why are you trading? The New York Stock Exchange is still open. Andrew, send me a message right now. If not, if Andrew doesn't send me a message here, then we do it again. Then we do it again. Andrew B, send me a message right now on Discord. Otherwise we have to Okay, no reaction so far. Abby, you're cheating, you're out. You are out, my man. Okay, we're gonna do it again, ladies and gentlemen. We are gonna do it again here. Okay. We're gonna do it again. Are you guys ready? Let's go. Let's see if there's a reaction. No reaction so far. Okay. Let's go. Dennis 0706. Dennis 0706. Let me know if you're there, my man. For the people that didn't want, we're gonna do one more giveaway. We're gonna give away one more magic keys as well for you guys. Alright, the magic keys is the best trading tool you can ever use when scalping, when entering any position, because it automatically calculates your win rate. Pretty much also in trading itself, it's very, very easy. It's the best way to actually join potentially here. Alright? In the meantime, Dennis 0706, send me a message as well. Alright? I want to see your message and let's see. Otherwise, we do it again, guys. I'm gonna wait for the message here. Otherwise, we do it again. Alright? Johnny says, Raya needs to pay you, Lorenzo, for these cells. Right. But I give them away, and people know that. I'm gonna keep giving them away as well. So you guys will get a lot of magic keys. Alright? Again, no message from Dennis. Then we're gonna do it again. If not, okay, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna do it differently, guys. Because I don't get a reaction from you guys here. We're gonna do it again. This is one time that we're gonna give away a V2 here. Okay? Let me see. Okay. I'm gonna ask you guys a question. The first one that answered my question will win it. Alright? I hope you guys are ready. Lucky, because they both didn't send me a message here. Okay. Are you guys ready? Make sure you're synchronized right now. I'm gonna ask you guys a question. The first one. Alright? The first one that answers the question here wins the V2. Alright? Let me know if you guys are ready. Drop a W in the chat. Okay, you guys are ready. You guys are ready. Fantastic, fantastic. Okay. We're gonna give away one V2 and this is the only one time that we're gonna do it. Okay? After that, we're gonna give away one more magic keys as well. The question remains. Bruh. How many videos have I uploaded on my YouTube channel? Who's first? You can see it. You can find it if you want to. Yes. We got a winner. We got a winner. I saw it. I saw it. I need to see if it's correct here. Yes, yes, yes. It's correct. It's correct. The answer is 86. 86 videos in the last couple of months. We're live streaming every single day. Hidden, my man, you are the winner. My man Hidden is the winner right there. Congratulations. My man Hidden is the winner here. You won. Absolutely fantastic. Congratulations, my man. Let me see where you are. We're gonna give away one. We're gonna do one more giveaway later on, before we continue here with our trading. Or we're gonna trade a little bit and then we're gonna go over it well. The V2 is gonna be absolutely fantastic, my man. Congratulations. You're part of our group here. Shout out to Hidden, man. Uncle Pennyback says I was before him though. No. No, Hidden was before you. Congratulations, guys. Congratulations. Alright, for all the new members in our Discord as well, we're gonna give away a welcoming event. You are free to join our welcome event where we're gonna talk about how we can take things to the next level. A little bit of a vision from one of our moderators to show you some love as well. Okay, so if you want to be part of that, it's after the stream. We're gonna go straight into the events. You can join. You can click on I am interested right here. Welcome event for new members. You can join us there. And it's going to be a beautiful introduction of the rules, everything that we're doing here, the goal with the vision, rather than just joining a random Discord. No, we're having a proper conversation here and an introduction. So if you want to join and you want to be part of that, you're absolutely welcome to do so. Switch our broadcast, did I win? No, Hidden was before you, man. Okay, let's get back into it, guys. Let's get back into the work. Let's get back to work right now. Okay, so what are we seeing here for GJ? We're slowly creeping up here. This is facing some serious resistance right now, but I'm looking at these particular moves here on the 4 hourly. I'm looking for a potential break, coming back up, tapping into that zone, potentially selling off to the downside one more time after that. Okay, very similar, pardon, as what we have seen right here. Very, very similar. How do I know if I have the V2 pass? You have an orange name. You have an orange name in the chat here. It's gonna be absolutely amazing. We have a 2-week offer anyways, guys. If you want to join, you can. It's optional. You don't have to. But it's a 2-week offer. After that, we're gonna close down. Okay, let's get back into trading here. We're still waiting for a GJ trade here, guys. And we're gonna do one more giveaway later on. Not for the V2. This was the only time, but we're gonna do this for the magic keys. You guys will love it, trust me. It's absolutely amazing tool. It will help you out so much. Jamie says, paid about 2 weeks ago. Am I V2? Yes, you are, my man. All right, let's look for some setups, guys, right now. I'm looking forward to that. Let's see what the volume is doing in the market. We are coming very, very close here. We're seeing some potential setups here coming into play here right now. Also for Euro against the Japanese yen, we're seeing the same thing happening. Reaching a lot of resistance right now. Building out a lot of liquidity underneath this zone. Look at that. Wow, look at this one. And also the Euro is showing some weakness right here. I think the Euro is in a similar position. Oh, we actually broke this one right here. Let's see where our next zone is. What about gold? What do you recommend for gold right now? Okay, let's go over gold viewer. So I think personally that right now we're coming up here. We beautifully took out the liquidity. We did that perfectly. We tapped into that zone and we shoot up from there. Look at how beautiful, I mean, still SMC can be. Look at it. You tap into that zone. And you sell, boom. You make a beautiful setup right there. Absolutely fantastic under the 1 minute. We're going to use a 1 minute strategy. I'm going to explain you guys everything how it will work here. But I think beautifully right now we're coming back up here potentially. Waiting for a lower low break here. Let's go to the 15 minute. In my opinion, it's time to wait for the retracement right now. We are seeing the zone. We're building out a lot of equal lows here. I think there is a big chance that we come up and potentially come back down. But we want to wait for a lower low first right now. Even if we break this lows, we're going to short it. So far, 14 people signed up for our welcoming event right here. Absolutely fantastic. Welcome. It's going to be amazing. We're going to talk about a lot of beautiful things here. We're going to really get you guys hyped up right now. And then after that, there is a mindset session you guys can join straight away. A trading mindset session. 106 people are interested already. This is going to be a huge event. So you can join this after the stream. Talking about mindset, okay? This is very, very important here. We're going to remove all the wrong habits you personally use and implement when trading. With some fact checks right here. Okay? After our stream as well. The XY is still coming down. Yes, this is the market cycle. So right now we are in control. Like the supply, the bears, I can better say, are in control right now. This was a major level. This was really a make it or break it right now. Now we have created our chalk to the downside on the daily. This is absolutely huge here. We have two particular zones right there. These are the zones that we are looking for to be taken out right now. We are going to come back at some point to test these levels here. Okay? To potentially come into that zone, tap into that area here, and to potentially sell off a little bit further, as we have been coming up for 6 months or a full year consistently right here. Okay, we had the elections right now, and so on and so on. I think this is going to be this is actually a major manipulative move right here, in my opinion. In my opinion, the dollar should get stronger from a fundamental standpoint, but the timing is perfect in terms of the elections right here. And the equities are booming, inflation is going down, and so on and so on. But we saw the change of character to the downside here. We came back down all the way. Right now, the bears are in control. So are we going to come up here to test that zone, to test that area of supply, and potentially sell off from there? That's the question here. Okay? But this is huge. It's absolutely huge here. Orange Glory says, I think I missed it, but $59 you get lifetime access. This is only for 2 weeks. Yes. It's only for 2 weeks. 12 days, actually. 12 more days. So in terms of the dollar index, this is very, very beautiful. We can take a thing in consideration. This is one of the major reasons why I personally right now looking to short GJ. Okay? And normally I would not bet against the Japanese yen here. Bet against the, or bet with the Japanese yen against the British pound. I would never do that. However, the fact that we created that lower low here for the dollar index is very, very important here. And the reason why this is important is because the Japanese yen, right, the BOJ, the Bank of Japan, they have bought a lot of US Treasury bonds, okay? This has a major impact here. Look also at the US Treasury bonds, the government yield, 2-year yield here, coming down significantly right now, okay? This could potentially boost the Japanese yen in the short term. So this is good. The dollar index comes down, the Japanese yen can potentially come back up here, short term. We saw a beautiful setup for GJ. Liquidity was built, and so on and so on. Any retracement right now for GJ is going to be a trade to the downside for me. Alright? This is definitely what we're looking for. We've already entered GJ at 165.1 roundabout. We already entered earlier. We got our position there. We sold already the majority of our position. Right now our stop loss is on break even. If you do tend to come back up, we're going to re-enter a little bit higher. Gold is coming down. That's interesting. A little bit, guys. This is nothing, guys. This is nothing. This is not really coming down here. Are there any trades you guys are in right now? Let me help you guys out here. Let me help you guys out right now. Are there any trades you're currently in? If so, what are you looking for? What are you in right now? Let me go over a few charts before we continue our scalping journey here. All right, we have I am a Jory. He says the US dollar Swiss franc had a hard impulse to the downside, I think. Major says short on NAS. Okay. Samuel says EURUSD long. Aston says my chart is 5 seconds ahead from yours. MSG says running GJ longs. Running GJ longs? Okay, interesting. From where? Let's go over GJ in a second. $163.2. Okay, you went into this this zone here. Okay. Well, what did you take profit? To 50% off, holding the rest as swing. Ooh. Okay. You took your profit, so that's good. I personally believe that we can come down more. Okay, let's go back into scalping, guys. Let's see if we have some expansion here. This is what we need. We need some expansion. We need some volume for us in order to move forward here. Okay. Yeah, this is a massive expansion here. This is interesting. This is pretty good. Defesh Kumar says, brother, for Forex news, which source should I refer to? You can go to the Forex Factory, my man. It's called Forex Factory. You can find it right there. Or the economic calendar here, depending what you want to prefer. I do not really expect a massive reaction from the news here for today. But that's my opinion here. I do not really expect this to be high impact news here. But yes, you can look at the Forex Factory. Okay, this is potentially nice here. This is looking pretty decent. We saw that massive expansion. Coming back up right now. There we go. Wow, that's fast. Ruben says I'm in the euro and New Zealand dollar. Yeah, let's see how this plays out here. Okay, let's see. Let's see how this plays out first. I'm selling shortly. I'm selling shortly already. Okay, I'm gonna sell already. I like it. It's the easiest trade ever, in my opinion. I risked a little bit more here because the move was so aggressive. The more aggressive it goes to the downside, the better it is. So I don't need that much in terms of risk to reward here. The reaction was amazing. The more aggressive it is, the better it is. The better the retracement is gonna be. This is what we're looking for. We're looking for volume. We're looking for expansion. My man Sun is here. Welcome, my man. Great that you're here as well. Ramis says 3K on that. No. I wish. That was not $3,000, my man. That was 300. I wish. I'm selling GJ, yes. I'm still in a GJ trade as well. Ashley says EA activated. Let's see. Okay, EA? Yeah, let's focus a little bit on this scalping right now. I think the volume is coming into the market here. This is good. This is what we are waiting for. Let's see if we can find any other setups as well. But this is good. Now we're seeing some volume incoming here. It's the combination of imbalances in the market, volume in the market. This is what we are looking for here. If you want to know more about the strategy, then go to my YouTube channel and look at the fair value gap hybrid strategy. This is the strategy we have been implementing here. If you want to have more information about all the trades that we took here, then please go to my YouTube channel and so look at some previous videos. You will find it 100%. You will find it there. Previous live streams. There were days where we did 8 trades live. That was crazy. But that was only when the market conditions are perfect. Right now, there is not that much volume in the market, so it takes more time. It takes more time to look for opportunities. Cham OK says, if we are already in the Discord, am I already in the V2? If you pay to get into the Discord before, yes. If you entered for free, then no. Chris says, did you sell or buy on the US dollar Swiss franc? We bought. This was a clear buy. Keep in mind, guys, this is Friday. Friday means withdrawal day. All right? Every Friday. You withdraw a percentage of your profits, you compound the rest. That's the idea. This is the way it works. I think this is the best way it works. We're gonna also, guys, we're gonna do so much more. We're gonna start vlogging very soon. Not really vlogging by myself, but with a guy. And we're gonna show way more behind the scenes as well. So you can see actually what's going on. Besides me in this room, right? Some more information here. Day in the life, that kind of stuff. Exactly. Yeah, it's coming very, very soon. Already 20 people are coming for the welcome event. Well, that's gonna be fantastic. Looking forward to that. This is gonna be after the stream. Alright. After that, we have a mindset session. If you are interested to join, you can join. It's a trading mindset session. Everyone can join. 111 people are already interested. So this is gonna be a massive event here. Okay, after our stream. So I'm looking forward to share that with you guys here. Which broker should I use? I use BlueBerryMarkets. I have a whole section about it in my Discord. The reason why it shows with them, because I got reached out by so many brokers when I started live streaming. But some of them I don't really trust. So I did my own research. I tested it out for myself, and I found that BlueBerryMarkets was one of the best in terms of spread, especially for lower accounts here, because I tested it out with lower accounts. And slippage, they have brand new servers, which are very, very fast. And maybe if you understand a little bit more about trading, you understand also how important it is to have a fast server. Because if you have a slow server, you can miss out on opportunities. You can not even scalp, for example, right? If there is a delay. So that's the reason why. More information is on Discord, but you can also click on the link in the description here. We actually have a deal. Right now we have our 12-day promo for our V2, right? But if you get into our V2 and you then apply for the BlueBerryMarkets, then you can get your money back as well. So this is also a beautiful, beautiful opportunity. So you can get access to our V2 in Essence for free. So it's a win-win-win-win here. Okay, I'm gonna look for some more trade opportunities here right now. In the meantime, we're waiting for our GJ trade still to play out here. The volume is relatively slow, but I think it's gonna increase very soon, very shortly here. Dennis says we need a confirmation for EU to fall. I do agree on this. I completely agree on it. We have a super clear equal lows here. We're going to take this out here. We're going to take this out. Most likely we're going to take this out here. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, you will see. Lorenzo, at what age did you start trading? I started trading at the age of 23. Look at gold, it's in that area. Okay, let's have a look at gold here. Yes, we are indeed at that zone right now. Oh, wow, look at that one here. Yeah, we had that zone right there. Wow, interesting. Let's see how we play out here. Let's see if we can break some lows here. This is a very, very important low to take out here. Navneet says, tell us about your trading journey. You want to have the serious answer, the quick answer, or you want to have the deep answer? Hey Lorenzo, can you post a trade of the US dollar Swiss franc? We are already out. We already exited. We already made profits here. It was a quick scalping trade here. All right, you want the deep answer for the reason why? Okay. Well, to be honest. Okay, let's talk about it real quick. We're gonna look at some. We're gonna get to our setups here. But for example, GJ is potentially coming, giving us a very good opportunity here. Gold as well, by the way. If gold breaks that zone, let's go to gold. Let's stay on gold here. Let's stay on gold here. Okay, first of all, maybe you guys can relate here. But let me see what we have here. So yeah, maybe some of you guys can relate. But actually, when I started trading, I was a complete... let's talk about it a little bit earlier. First of all, I was terrible on school, right? I could not focus. I always had like the idea that I wanted to become a business owner, an entrepreneur. I wanted to start my own business as well. I never performed. I performed very well on the lower school, right? Primary school and stuff. It was all fine as a kid. Once I started to go to high school, I hated it. It was just not my style. I really got forced to stay, to perform. This is you have to, in the Netherlands, you have to perform. You have to trade on a you have to trade. You have to actually go to school until you're 18 years old, no matter what. For me, it was just not meant for me. I don't know. I didn't fit in the system, like at all, from a young age. Everything that I'm doing right now is I'm kind of around the system. I'm not in the system, right? Everything, my whole life is built around the system, but not in the system. So this is pretty much where I'm doing right now. And I realized at some point that it made me truly, truly, deeply, deeply unhappy. So at some point, I was so sick and tired of it. And you feel kind of useless, right? You're not performing on school. You don't really have the pretty much the outside understanding of the world yet. You don't have full perspective yet of all these all their opportunities in the world, right? All of these big other players that have no diploma, no graduation, but they still make it very, very big, right? I didn't have that mindset yet. I thought, okay, if you don't have a diploma, you're shit. You're trash. You're not gonna make it. It's over for you. You're gonna live an unhappy hive. That's the system they put you in from a very, very, very young age, right? You get pressed, and if you don't perform, it's over. You're not allowed to make mistakes, right? Now I realized later in life that making mistakes is the best way to become a better human being, right? This is the quote, right? Failure creates perspective. Perspective creates opportunity. We have to make mistakes, right? So after a while, I was looking for all kinds of things in life, things to do in life. I started to become a digital nomad, right? First, I started to travel a lot around the world. I got some luck with that. I got some opportunities with that. Made some money, spent it traveling. Not really making money. I know it's stupid, but at least I saw more perspective. I saw other economies. I saw how other people live their lives and so on. And I slowly started to get out of that system and stuff, right? I haven't been in my country in years. So for now, at some point, I started to run my own businesses, right? I started to open an e-commerce store. I wanted to open some brands, some drop shipping I did so many different online things as well. Some things worked, some things didn't work, and so on and so on and so on. At some point, I saw an opportunity in poker. This is a whole other story. I don't want to go too deep in that. I started to play online poker. That's the first time I understood the probability game. I understood that there is ways to make money having an edge over other people. Player versus player. That always sticks with me. Later on, I got introduced into crypto. Okay? That's the moment I started to think about crypto. That's the moment when I started to advance. When I really started to get deeper and started to understand more about the economy. I didn't know anything yet, but at least Bitcoin was the first understanding I got from a macro and fundamental standpoint right here, that Bitcoin could be the technology that would change the whole banking industry, right? That was the mindset. That was the whole idea I had. It could replace gold, right? But still, I was not a good trader yet. I made a lot of money and I was hooked. But guess what happened? I lost everything. Okay. Why? Of course. You get confident, no experience in trading. You think it was too easy. You can repeat the process over and over again. No way. That's never going to happen here. What happened after that? Lost all my money. But that was the first moment I got obsessed. I got intrigued with trading. Then I left it for a while. I left it on the sidelines for a while. But that was the eye-opener. The seed was planted right there. Okay? After that, I started to do, another, e-commerce as well. I did a lot of e-commerce as well. Made some good money in that. Started to travel all around the world again. Ended up in Bali. Met some amazing, amazing people. Then came back into trading. Once I got back into trading, I was obsessed. I was hooked. And then all my other assets fell apart. Okay? I had some savings, made some money, got some luck in trading. All my other assets were gone. I fucked it up. Alright? What happened then? I had no more choice. Either I'm gonna become a successful trader, or I'm gonna end up somewhere, you know, in a very, very unhappy place. So I had no plan B. After that, I got a girlfriend, right? After that, I don't want to talk about too much about my private life, but there are some people that I need to take care of right now, right? The responsibility as a man became bigger. I believe truly, as a man, you're turning into a real man when you are responsible for other people. This is the moment where we are responsible for other people right now. So this was the moment for me. Either I'm gonna make it, or I'm gonna give up, or life is over. It's just, that's it. I don't have a plan B anymore. Okay? I hope that you guys have the same thing. I hope that you guys have the same thing. You're either gonna make it right now, or you will end up in a very bad place. And the reason why I say that is because this is the moment to change it. And I think you need that mindset in order to succeed. You truly need that mindset in order to take things to the next level. All right? This is really where we're doing it for. So the reason I'm here, streaming 4 hours a day, 4 days a week, building a Discord community right now, trying to build this into the biggest community in the trading niche, is because it started from being lonely, feeling like shit, right? Falling out of the system. Also, at the same time, having no plan B, being responsible for other people in my life. All right? I was so angry at myself for so long. I made so many mistakes in trading. I knew that I shouldn't had to put my stop loss, had to move my stop loss around, but I did it anyways. Why did I do that? Every single time. I made all the mistakes in trading you could ever think about. All of them. Multiple times. All right? But it was worth it. And now we're here. Now we're making consistent profits. Now we are building a massive community. Now we are all growing together. Slowly by slowly. We're only doing this for 4 months, this live streaming. Slowly but steady, we're building something absolutely magical here. But this is my goal. This is why I'm here. And this is why we're going to take over. But I just wanted to share this here. It comes from suffer. It comes from a lot of pain. It comes from a lot of almost wanted to give up here. And this is why we're here, man. Let's get back to work, guys. Let's get back to work here. And this is also the reason why I want to show you guys a little bit more about my life as well, what's happening right now, how the situation is right now, and everything like that as well, right? So you can see a little bit more of a broader perspective here. I think you guys will like it. And right now I'm on a mission to inspire also young men. I know there are some beautiful women in our community here, but 95% of the audience is men. I want to step up for these men because men are going through decent hard times right now. And I'm not joking, all right? I don't want to go too deep yet. This is for Discord. But I'm going to step up for you guys. We're going to take things to the next level. And the only way to do that is to build a skill first. To work on your finances. All that other stuff that we're going to discuss, that will come after. Justin says, were you a student of Michael Huddleston, someone else self-taught? I'm self-taught. I took I pretty much bought some courses and so on. I learned from some guys on YouTube. You know, over time I learned more and more, but I learned a lot from another guy that I met here in Bali a couple years ago. Jess J says, whoa, that story is so close to mine. That's beautiful. Mindset is everything, that's it. I agree. Johnny says, respect, brother. I've been homeless for 4 years and then I met my wife and now I'm very thankful for what I have and become a successful trader and business owner. Wow, shout out to you, Johnny, my man. Shout out to you, my bro. That's, wow. That's beautiful. Congrats. That's very, very nice. Darius is amazing. Cherry, my man. Thanks for sharing this. Inspiring. Much love, my man. Speak to you soon, brother. Q love. Respect. Daryl. Amazing. Thank you guys so much. Let's crush it, man. Let's crush it. I know it's Friday. I know the volume is a little bit less in the market here. But there are still tons and tons to discuss here. We're gonna do the giveaway also very soon for the magic keys. Hope you guys are ready for that as well. James says, I ain't giving up on trading. Been watching you for 2 months. Wow. Thank you, my man. Boss, what time is your next session about mindset? It's starting. It's done by one of our moderators. He's very good as well. It starts at in 2 hours from now. In 2 hours from now. Right? It's gonna be a big session here. Also, we're gonna give an event very shortly. A welcoming event for new members. Alright? You can join right there. Everyone that joined here, click on the interested button. You can join. Only for the new guys here. Give you guys a solid introduction to what our vision is. Alright? What we're trying to achieve here. And the reason why trading is so beautiful, guys, because it doesn't matter how old you are, where you're from. If you're a man or a woman, if you're young or old, we can all do the same thing with an internet connection. We can speculate and understand the market here and learn, build a skill and make money. And it's going to become more and more and more important here because I can assure you this. The gap is closing, guys. The gap is closing and it's gonna go very fast. So it's really now or never. Alright? As a man, though. As a man, it's fine. If you experience something in your life, trauma is good. It's fine. This is what creates perspective. This is what takes you to the next level. Okay? As a man, we are meant. It's not meant to be easy. It's not meant to be easy. But this is how real true men are getting created. They go through it. They accept their destiny. They do not give up. They know that their destiny is something good. They take their responsibility at all times. And they learn from their mistakes. And that's it. That's why we're here. Okay, GJ is in a very, very important zone right now. We're looking at the 4 hour. We are tapping into that area here. We're coming back up. Taking out these highs here. We're building out a lot of liquidity right now. This is the first zone I'm quite interested at right now for GU. If we are getting rejected here, I'm looking for a potential zone for a retracement and then a potential entry. Very similar as how I entered GJ beforehand. It's a very similar move here. So if we are creating that lower low and we break this particular level here, I will show you guys. We will get there. Then, pardon, this is exactly what we're going to do here. So we're tapping into the zone, coming back down to the 1 hour. Breaking some of these lows here. And now looking for opportunities. I'm going to share this with in the meta charts as well. So you guys exactly know what I'm talking about here. Best friend says I'm off to get some shadow. Big weekend coming up. I'm letting 101 to finish the week. Thanks for a great week. Up by 5% on my personal account. Congrats, my man. Congrats. Thank you so much for all your support as well. And you seem like a very humble dude, man. Thank you for being here. And yeah, let's move forward. So the euro is actually getting rejected right here. Very interesting here. But so far we're still moving. So far no signs here. Gold is actually more interesting right now in my opinion here. What we're seeing for gold is actually looking more and more interesting right now. We're tapping into that zone here. We're seeing that reaction. Just Jason, Lorenzo, did you hold any trades over the weekend? Yes. Yeah, definitely. I'm gonna hold my GJ trade over the weekend here. If you do not get there. And my gold trade, of course. I have a swing trade account as well. Guys, one more time, if you want to join our Discord, you can join here. We're gonna give our event very soon. It's free to join. We have 2 events here after the stream. You can join our trading mindset session. The voice chat is one of the best things you can do in Discord here. I don't understand why not many people are using it. It's the best to learn and to create events and to host sessions here. So if you want to join, this is the moment you can join here. We have a lot of people coming already to our event. Over 100 people are interested already. 120 people. So if you want to join, we have a welcoming event for new members and we have a mindset session. Right now, we're going to give away the magic keys to a winner here. All right. We're going to give away a magic keys to one of our winners here. In YouTube, if you guys are ready, then smash that like button. Support the channel here. I'm gonna ask you guys another question here. Very, very shortly. We're gonna give away a magic keys. The best tool to scalp with. All right, we're gonna look for some more scalping setups right now, guys. We are coming very close to the open here. It's gonna be very interesting as well. I think the volume will increase. We're gonna find some trade setups right now. I'm gonna focus on some trade setups. And the magic keys is the best scalping tool that you can actually use here. We're giving away tons of them. We almost gave away already 7 or 8 of them. So it's time to continue our journey and to continue with giving away more of these setups here. More of these tools right there. Michael Myers says, I'm also trying to cope up in life. I lost my job in these times. Wife left because I was jobless. Now trying to earn from you so I can earn some bucks for my son. I'm sure I will be profitable soon. Man. Yeah. This is where I'm doing it for, brother. People like you, man. For individuals like you, my man. Lost a job. Lost your wife. Yeah. I got you, my man. This is what we're building here. Trust me, we're building so many things in the backend here. You have no idea. This is just a trading economy. We're building so much more in the backend right here. You have no idea what's coming. All right? Michael, only thing I can say is stick with us here. All right? Be aware of what Limitless is gonna do. It's gonna be fantastic, my man. Ashraf says, will Limitless help us to get funded? Yes, that's the idea. That's what we're building here. That's what we're building in the V2, yeah. However, there are tons of things that you can do already right now in our Discord. So, absolutely. It's just all about being active in the community. And it really sky's the limit. Okay, gold euro is looking very interesting, guys. There are two zones here. Let's see if we can find an opportunity here. I'm not sure if it's if the risk reward is good here, but it looks pretty decent to me. You know what happens here? I will show you guys. I will actually show you guys what I mean here in terms of gold. Wow. 20 view is very slow today. I don't know what's happening here. Anyways. The fact that we came up here, it's not that buyers are stepping into the market. Well, actually, yes, some way. But it's actually stop losses that are getting triggered here. This is what's happening. A lot of liquidity was built up underneath the zone. That's why you see that massive move up here. This is what's actually happening right now. So I'm looking to short this potentially right here. Gold against the euro. It would be even better if you create a lower high. Something like this. But this is still okay. This is still fine here. There we go. We are in our position. Show you guys in a second. Candle closure. Yeah. We are in our position here. We are in a position for gold here. At 1709.46. Right there. Stop loss above that range. Right there. Let's see how this turns out, guys. I'm gonna get a drink real quick. I'll be back in 1 minute here. I'm short right now on gold to euro. Alright, we're back, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see here how this plays out here. So far, we're consolidating. Yeah, a lot of buying pressure right here. Let's see. Risk management is very important with funded accounts. Absolutely. Yeah. That's why I don't really like it too much. Stop loss is above that level here. But there is a big chance we're going to turn this into a break-even trade if we come back down here. Okay, break-even trade here. Or not? What do you guys think? Wow, lucky. If you come back up, I close my position on break even and then I look for another trade here. Because these are not the trade setups I like to trade here. There we go. Okay, I'm out. And the reason why is because I don't really... I want to... You know that when you're scalping, I'm looking for the trades that go directly in my direction. If I don't see that, I try to cut them out as much as possible. So I'm out here. Either it's gonna go in my direction straight away, or I'm out. If it starts consolidating, and I'm trying to avoid that here, then I'm just looking for an opportunity to get out on break even, to just improve my my risk management. It doesn't happen all the time, as you guys can see here. Only 16 times right now, out of 110 trades. But yeah, it is. It's very important. Okay, let's see. Let's look at the euro here. The euro is coming down a little bit more. I just dropped my my T again. It's not the first time. EURUSD. Yes, I see the EURUSD here, but yeah, we took out the lows. That was expected. Coming down. double top structure here. Let's see how we look on the higher time frame here. Let's go to the 5 minute. Okay, this is a pretty decent reaction here so far. I do like it. Let's look at the Euro index as well. Let's confirm our trend here. Let's go to the 30 minute of the Euro index. Okay, we're still creeping up here. I'm not really that confident about what we're seeing here with the euro coming down right now. Where I see this thing still coming up here significantly. I'm not impressed, to be honest. I think that we still have some more upside potential right now. I want to see it really breaking this structure here on the euro index. Unless we do not break this part, I'm not really that convinced yet for a potential reversal right now for the euro. But this is what I want to see. I want to break these lows here. Then we have something very beautiful. If that's the case, we're going to see a higher high. I can break a change of character to the upside. And then potentially a change of character to the downside. If that's the case, I am more convinced about the potential reversal short term here. Then I would look for shorts for the euro. Jess says, Lorenzo, are you Myron, bro? Yes, I'm Myron, my man. Are you Myron? Okay, so this is pretty much what we're looking for here. Our position for GJ is growing. That's good to see here. However, I would love to build up even a bigger position if we retrace back up here. That would be even better. Guys, we're going to start a welcoming event very shortly here, okay? If you want to join and we're only part of it, we have 32 members already signed up. You are new to our community, then we want you to be in our welcoming event to give you a better understanding of what we're doing here, our rules, principles, our vision, the team, get to know each other. It's a little bit of a mindset session as well. And then you can follow up straight away after that with our trading mindset session. 121 people are already interested in joining that event here. It's in the voice chat. You will see it. You can see something like this, where you can straight away see screen as well. It's kind of a channel. I think these voice chats are highly undervalued. So if you want to join, you want to be in our Discord, then click on the link in the description. It's free to join. And we're going to share so many beautiful things here, like the Menta charts. When I'm not live, I post my setups in there. All right. We have the weekly analysis, so Sunday is coming, 2 days. And we're going to post a Forex Sunday analysis. A full understanding for you guys what I expect to happen in the week after that. It's an unlisted video on my YouTube channel. Okay, just so you guys know. So it's right here, but it's an unlisted video. Only for the people in our Discord community right here. Alright? This is what we're looking for. This is what we're doing. There we go. We're also going to give away right now our magic keys right here. So are you guys ready? If you guys are ready, drop a W in the chat. We're going to give away one more magic keys right now. It's time. To choose a winner. All right. You guys are ready. Fantastic. Okay. We're gonna give away 1 magic keys to the winner. It's the best possible tool you can pretty much have in terms of scalping. It automatically calculates your lot size. And if you input your risk right here, you can choose, boom, you can trade and execute the trade within seconds. It will save you a lot of time. And especially with scalping, using this strategy, it is very, 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 very beneficial right there. All right. So what we're going to do, we're going to ask you guys one more question here. And the winner of this question is going to get one. All right. Let me ask you guys a question here. Let's see. Let's put some music on. Let's get into the vibe here before we do a giveaway. We're gonna do this every single day. I'll try to do a giveaway here. All right. If I make some profits, I share it with you guys. Let's go. Switch up broadcast is 86. Let's see. Bruh. Like our channel, guys. Like our channel. It will be highly appreciated. We're here almost every day. Okay. Okay, we are ready. Let's go. We're gonna have a question here. On what day did I post understanding the power of liquidity, how the banks move price video? Let's go. On what day, guys? Yes. Okay, we got a winner. I think we got a winner here. We have a winner here. Let's see. Somebody was very fast here. I cannot believe how you guys can do that and how you can guys look it up so fast. But yes. Hannes, you are the winner, my man. Indeed, the 2nd of July, that was the video where we posted my first video on YouTube. All right? Understanding the power of liquidity, how the banks move price, on the 2nd of July. Congratulations, Hannes, my man. Send me a message on Discord. We're gonna get things sorted out here. Absolutely fantastic, my man. Thank you for being here. There we go, there we go. Congrats! Fantastic, my man. Wow, that was crazy. Yes, thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. We're gonna do more and more giveaways, my man. Send me messages, Hannes, on Discord. We're gonna get this sorted for you as well. We're gonna send you the serial code and you will get it here. Okay? You guys were fast, by the way. Wow. Very, very good. All right. The volume is kicking in, guys. The volume is kicking in. The market is opening here. Volume is kicking in. You can clearly see the market is moving. This is going to give us some beautiful opportunities right here. Oh, look at that. Very clean here. Very nice. Very, very nice. Gold is coming down. Beautiful. There we go. Gold is making moves here. This is interesting as well for gold right now. I think this is the major low we need to take out here. This is a very, very important low. Because we have created a lower high. If you create now a lower low, then this is the moment where it's going to get very interesting here. That's beautiful. The expansion as well for the indices right here. Beautiful as well. So the volume is kicking in. Beautiful. This is going to be good for us. Okay, this is fantastic, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to see this exactly happening right now. Where the volume is increasing, the expansion is there. We're waiting for the liquidity that's built up. Once the liquidity is built up, we're starting to look for points where we can break. Once these are broken, we can enter. Honey D-Bus says GU, just like you said. Let's have a look at GU. Yeah, there we go. We're coming very close here. That's beautiful, by the way. Yes, absolutely. This low is taken out right now. Okay, this is a very good start here. This is exactly what I'm thinking about. We're opened right now, potentially bullish here. Yes. Okay, now we're going to make a difference here. We're going to change. We're taking out some of the liquidity. We have created a higher high. This could be the change here. This could be the momentum towards the closure as well. Where we get some opportunities back here. That's very, very good here. Anna says, congrats, Lorenzo, for your community. Thank you so much. Appreciate that. Beautiful, guys. You guys are all joining here. Fantastic. Amazing, amazing. We're going to have our event very shortly. If you want to join, you know where to find us here. 35 people are interested. It's going to be big. It's going to be a big one today. But we are ready. Son says I have to go out. See you later, guys. See you, my man. See you. So G will go down further. Yeah, high likelihood. High likelihood, in my opinion. Yeah. Right now with the dollar here, I think we are opening bullish. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful open here. Euro gonna come down. Beautifully. This is the moment here. Okay, let's see. Let's zoom out a little bit. There we go. We want to break a major low for the euro here. It's definitely this zone here. Very nice. In terms of gold, let's have a look at gold as well. We're coming very close here. Want to break this low here. FTX files for bankruptcy protection. Crypto is going down. That's so crazy, guys. That FTX, one of the biggest exchanges, this guy that owned it, he was like a multi-billionaire. He made like $30 billion. Lost it all. That's absolutely crazy. That's what happens when you're over-collateralized. That's absolutely insane here. Let's look at Bitcoin. Yeah, this is a beautiful short opportunity as well right here. Coming to that range. Beautiful structure trying to come up and then down. Yeah, wow. It's insane. You make $30 billion and you lose it all. What to do with GU? I'll suggest to wait until you break these lows here. So there are some important levels to be taken out right now. This is the first level that we took out here right now. We want to take out more levels. We want to make sure that we're coming down all the way to then make that move here. But overall, we're looking quite good here. It's looking quite good. We're seeing that rejection as well. So look at this one. For example, this is that 1 hour area. Look at that. This is exactly that area we're looking for. Right here. We have that zone. Right there. Rejection. Right here. Okay. What do we want to see right now? We want to take out a massive low. That's the goal here. This is the low. This is what needs to be taken out here. There are two things you can do. You can either go for a smaller risk to reward and take it all the way down. Okay. A smaller risk to reward here. You enter short here. You put your stop loss above this high. And you go for a smaller risk to reward ratio. But a wider stop loss. And you enter here. If you come down and you break that low. Or if you break that low and you come back down here. You are in that specific zone. You wait for the retracement back up. If that comes, tap into that zone. Look for an order block. Look for a potential setup here. Right? To short from. And to continue to the downside. Putting your entry here. Your stop loss above that high. That's the these are the opportunities right there for GU here. And things will go very fast right now. Like we said yesterday. When the dollar reverses, it's gonna go very, very fast here. There we go. We're coming very closely. This is very good. There are two lows here that are very, very important. This low created this high. Okay, so this is the major low that we need to break here. Again, we have this low to be broken. This is important. But this is the major low we need to break. If you break this low, massive opportunity. Why? Because this low created this high. So this is what we want to see. We want to break these lows here. Same rule here. Either you're going to go in and you're going to put your stop loss here. You're going to go for a lower risk reward, but more certainty for your trade. Or you're going to go and wait for it to break, calm down, tap into that zone. Break this level, calm down, tap into that zone and go short from there. Take your position here, stop loss there. Take profit there. Towards this range here. That's the idea here. Okay, but therefore you have to break this low first. If you break this low, you come back up, then you come back down towards that range here. That's the idea of this trade here. Take profit will be around this zone here. This pool right there. Defense says, I'm here for the first time on your stream, brother. Welcome, my man. Welcome. Glad that you're here. So these are the two options here. I'm going to share this with you guys in Discord as well so you know exactly what I mean. We have to break this low, okay? We're gonna get a retest for the DXY here. Tapping into that zone to see if he can come back up. Testing these areas of supply right now. Let's see, there we go. Let's have a look at what the indices are doing as well. Okay, this is good. This is good. The fact that we took out these lows here. That's a good sign. We have a lot of liquidity built up above this range. I like this a lot. I think that this is interesting. This is very good. Potentially tap into the zone, induce people, take out these lows here, potentially then come back down. That's a very, very interesting, yeah, it's a very, very nice setup as well. I like it as well. Man, I love to do giveaways for you guys. It's the best thing ever, indeed. Absolutely amazing. Let's see if we're gonna find a few more scalping setups right now. We're gonna close down very shortly, but I at least want to do one more trade with you guys to see what we can do here. Okay. In the meantime, I will give you guys a quick outlook as well. But keep a close eye on the Sunday weekly breakdown that I will share with you guys right here in this channel on a Sunday. Alright? Where we explain everything, all the setups, everything that you need to know for potential trades next week. Let's see if we can find another trade here, guys. Let's have a little look here. The volume is increasing, so that's good. We have some news coming in 10 minutes. Gonna be very, very interesting. It's good that we closed our position here on break even. Was definitely worth it. That's what I mean. This is a perfect example of when it's better to close your position and break even, and when it's better to leave it running. Wow, in the meantime, our GJ trade is still crushing it so far. However, I would love to see, again, I would love to take some profits, like pretty much just close my position and wait for the retracement. I'm actually thinking about it, of closing down my position here for the weekend, wait for the retracement on a Monday to potentially then come back up further. I do think there is a big opportunity or a big chance that we can see something like this happening here. Mambulina says that Bitcoin trade was good. Really? Let's see. I'm not sure how many of you guys are actually trading Bitcoin. Is it good? Let's see. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that. Wow. Look at that reaction here. Like I said, guys, supply and demand for crypto is absolutely unbelievable. Like, I was shocked also with this sell-off that we saw 2 days ago. How accurate it was. Really. Absolutely crazy. But yeah, our GJ trade is running so far relatively well here. I think I'm gonna close down my position for GJ here. Very shortly here. I think I'm gonna close down my position. And wait for the retracement and re-enter. After the weekend. I think that's the goal, that's the idea here. Took some of the liquidity here. Yeah, we created that zone. Breaking in that area. I'm gonna wait a little bit longer. And then I think I'm gonna close down my position here. Yeah, this is what we're gonna do. Thank you, Johnny, my man. See you later, brother. Okay, we're already at that area of demand. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna close my position here. Wow. 4.5k. That's a beautiful closure of the week. I'm gonna re-enter, guys. I'm gonna re-enter our position for any retracement here. I'm gonna re-enter any retracement potential coming back up into that zone. Of course, I'll let you guys know exactly what I'm gonna do here in Discord, so you guys are completely updated here. But we are looking at it. We are looking at a potential retracement to target even lower prices here, which is this particular zone here. Right? Entry here, targeting these lows right there. I think right now it's time for potentially the dollar. For potentially the Japanese yen to make a short retracement to the upside here. All right, let's have a little look at. Yeah, we're gonna do one more round here, guys. One more round. Then we're gonna discuss some charts here, and then we're gonna see what we can do after that. Most likely we're gonna head into the Discord and see from there. It's a beautiful Friday here. We have news coming in 4 minutes. Let's see if there is an actual reaction here. That's why it's good that I close my position as well, because it will have an effect on the Japanese yen. Jamie says, I'm off to Rome, Italy next week, bro, so I won't be able to be here for the streams. But I cannot wait to come back to the release of the V2. Fantastic, my man. Have a wonderful vacation, man. Or holiday, and then I'll see you after that. How much risk you take per trade? Around 2.5% here. A little bit higher. You guys are all joining. Fantastic. That's beautiful, beautiful to see here. We have our welcoming event, guys. Be there, be there, be there. It's gonna be amazing. We have our one of our moderators here is gonna do it. We start very shortly. The way you can do it, you can go to events in the top corner on the left side. You click on it. Then you click on I am interested right here. Tarek says, don't forget to update the wins, bro. That was a beautiful one before. Yeah, but this was not the scalping strategy. So that's why. That's why. Okay, we have news coming in 2 minutes. Let's see what the reaction will be here. Let's look at the dollar index and let's wait patiently here right now. Jamie says, thank you. Never been in before. Looking forward to it. First holiday paid for. All from trading profits. Wow. Fantastic, my man. Edgar says, can you explain your entry on GJ? I didn't see it. We just pretty much, or your re-entry, you mean? We will share this in Discord. You will find it here in Discord in the meta charts. Right there. Okay, there we go. News is out here. Let's see if there's like an accurate reaction here. Negative reaction. Okay, should be bearish for the dollar here again. So let's see what the reaction will be. This is exactly why you wait with a break of structure to the downside. You want to confirm your setups by looking at a break of structure to the downside here. For any trades you take, wait for that break in most cases. Especially if there is news coming. I don't really think it's going to be high impact news, to be honest. As you guys can see already, the volume will not dramatically increase here. I think it will not have a massive effect on what we are seeing here. Okay, guys, this is all good to know. Thank you so much for today. This was a beautiful weekend, beautiful day, beautiful profits today. Heading into the weekend, so that's fantastic. What we're gonna do here, we're gonna go and continue in Discord here. We're gonna continue our journey right there, real quick. All the people that joined beautifully, join our welcoming event. It's gonna start in roughly 30 minutes from now. Okay, hope you are there. Let's get it going. Looking forward to that. You can join our Discord. It's free to join. We are sharing all my setups in there. The weekly analysis will be there. Okay. The volume was very, very low today. Do take that in consideration. But I believe that Monday, next week, will be an absolutely fantastic week right now. Because we have seen the beautiful breaks in structures here. We saw the dollar index. We saw the reaction on the daily. We saw the US 500, also a fantastic setup. Now there are some serious setups that are going to play out that are going to be very, very good here. GJ potentially coming into play. Gold potentially coming into play. Let's see how we do here, how we react here, and how everything will turn out. Guys, thank you so much. What a week it was. What a support it was. I am truly grateful for every one of you. I promise you, I am one of the hardest workers out there in the trading industry. I can assure you that. One of the hardest workers out there. So thank you for the support. Let's completely crush it. I wish you all guys a fantastic weekend. We're gonna continue, guys. We're gonna continue with the scalping when the volume is there. Today was not fantastic, to be honest. But you will see, when the volume is there, we have an amazing trading opportunities on a regular basis here. Our setups will play out next week as well. We have some pairs to look out for. The indices, gold, GJ. Gonna be fun. Join our event if you are new. Click on I'm interested. Join our trading mindset session that starts in 1 hour. You can join for free. Why not? Education, very important. Trading later on doesn't make any sense. This is the moment. Thank you guys so much. See you. I loved it. I love this sound, man. Thank you guys so much, man. What a wonderful week it was. Let's prepare for this weekend. Let's prepare this weekend for next week. I'm gonna make sure I have an analysis for you guys ready. See you in Discord. Ciao, ciao.